Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday you were given the task to write the answers to the 5 given questions. So this is time to give you the feedback. Okay students, these are question answers. Question number 1. Which kind of pollution is widely spread and the most dangerous? Air pollution is widely spread and the most dangerous. Question number 2. What are the bad effects of air pollution? Air pollution affects both plants and human life directly and indirectly. Question number 3. How can air pollution be controlled? Answer. Air pollution can be controlled by using special devices to remove poisonous gases from the fumes. Question number 4. What is the cause of water pollution? Domestic and industrial waste poured into sources of water are the causes of pollution. Question number 5. What is noise? How is it harmful for us? Any unwanted sound is noise. It can cause sleep sickness, temporary or permanent deafness, etc. Now question number 6. How does cutting of trees add to environmental pollution? Cutting of trees adds to environmental pollution by decreasing the supply of oxygen and filtering of air. Question number 7. Our elders enjoyed a healthy life as compared to us. How? There was less pollution in the past and everything was pure. So our elders enjoyed a healthy life as compared to us. Next question. This was the last question. The students, now this is time to give you homework. The homework is to write the antonyms, synonyms of these 5 words. The first word is fast, second collect, continue, harmful, produce. You will write the synonyms of these 5 words. Students, same 5 words: fast, collect, continue, harmful and produce. You will also write the antonyms of these 5 words. Now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.